Hi, my lovely friends. This is Hello YouTube World Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set tools and buildings icons in Microsoft Word in Windows 11. So for this case, we have to open a Microsoft file, and in this file, we'll go to the insert options here, click, and also click the icons. So in icon, we will get what the tools and buildings icon. So click here. Here the tools and buildings have lots of icons. Click multiple things and insert, then it will come. Then here multiple things has come. So first of all, we delete another or multiple things. Now we will work from the one, so we can increase or decrease the size. See size in this way. Now we will do the layout options, how with text wrapping. If you press this here, move with text, we will press and now check. See, the thing has been moving. And the interesting thing, the icons will appear on the front side and the written part has been appeared on the back side. Now we will do the graphics format. So before that, we have to press or select this icons. Now go to the graphics format. So here, if you want to change the also fill the color, so see here lots of color. See, the red color has been appeared. Now we can change the more fill colors with the customs as well as the standard way customs. If we click, see here the current color has been red and the next color is this. So now if we press OK, the color has been changed. Now we will do the graphics outline. So how? So click here. Here is the weighted, sorry, first of all we will change the color. Now we will see it clearly. See, the outline color has been changed in this way, and if we press this, it marked. Now we will do the weighted, decrease size, decrease outline on the icons as well as the increase outline. See, in this way we can increase or decrease, as well as we can give the dasher sign. See, the dasher sign has been appeared. Now we will do the graphics effect. So how? So before that, I have declared the icons has been selected or marked. Then go to the graphics effects, then click according to our project or something like this. 3D rotation. See, in this way we can change it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.